Hello, and welcome to another how-to video about the adultchildren.org website. Today we're going to focus on updating a meeting's information. A critical feature of the adultchildren.org website is getting access to the meetings in your area and on the telephone and the internet. So you can see, find the meeting, and we could type in a zip code, or we have these handy links for online meetings, telephone meetings, and audio and online meetings here. So entering in a zip code, like for my area, and hitting search, we'll get the search results back for the area. And you can see the various information which is displayed. And now if we wanted to update our information, because we were the group's trusted servant for that group, and there was a business meeting and some information had changed, we could click Update a Meeting. You'll notice we provide some information here on the instructions, and as well as some background information for updating the meeting. One of the important things to note is after entering this information, an email will be generated to one of our staff members. We'll review the information, make sure everything sounds good to make the change, and go ahead and do that. So it's not automatically. It takes a few days, and there are some manual steps involved. And one of the things which is noted here also is that we want to make sure the meeting information is verified periodically. So at least once a year, we recommend that a group's trusted servant verify the information. And if nothing has changed for the group, you can simply come to this button right here, Everything is Right. Clicking that will send an email message and update some fields in our system, so we know that someone has taken the time to verify the meeting, and that people who want to go to that meeting will be successful. Now, if something has changed, maybe you changed the group's name or some other information, or you wanted to add some information about how to find the meeting that's helpful across street or a building nearby, you can simply enter that information, and going all the way down to the bottom, you'll have this access code that you need to enter. This way we prevent spam and robots from entering information to the site. So here you would type in this text, same as you see it here, into this box and hit the Save button. Again, that will generate an email to one of our staff members who will review the information and make sure it makes sense before updating it to the database. So there's a number of fields which you can enter. One of the important ones here is the intergroup affiliation. Now right now, please notice that most of these fields are coming back from our database and have the current values, and if you needed to change them, you could. However, the intergroup affiliation, even if it may be set in the database, is not coming back and being displayed here in the update form. So your group may have a proper intergroup affiliation, but it's simply not displayed on the update form. But we'll work on fixing that in the future. But for now, know that if you wanted to add or change your intergroup affiliation, to simply enter in the intergroup name and number that's found from this intergroup listing. So we'll click on the intergroup listing here, and we'll see the various intergroups, and say the intergroup in question was, say, Arizona. We'll just highlight that whole line and copy it. This way we get an intergroup name and the intergroup number. We'll go click the back button to take us back to the form that we were just at, and see the intergroup affiliation. Paste it in there, and now when this email is generated and we receive this information, we'll know to verify that this group is properly associated with this intergroup. So again, updating a meeting's information is as simple as going to the Find the Meeting page, searching for your group, clicking the Update a Meeting button, and then reviewing the pre-populated information, making any changes as you see fit. Again, typically after the results of a business meeting, and then entering in this code into this field and clicking the Save button. You will receive a message stating that the information is being processed and will take a few days to be changed. Hope that this video is useful for you, And if you have any questions, you can send an email to webservants@adultchildren.org. Thank you and have a great day.